When you're away from home and you're craving homemade sweets, or you want to celebrate an auspicious occasions with your friends, I have a quick fix for you. Let's see the recipe for Suji Halwa Premix. To make this premix, let's heat up half a cup of ghee. Once the ghee starts to heat up, add in 3 tablespoons of cashew nuts and 3 tablespoons of sliced almonds. Fry the nuts in the ghee till they change color. Once they start to change color, let's quickly get them out. Next, in the same ghee, I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of Sooji. This is the thicker kind that we use for sheera and upma. Roast this for at least a good 4 to 5 minutes on low heat. Keep stirring so that it doesn't darken very quickly. You know when this mixture is ready once you start seeing some ghee in the pan. You can see the droplets here. It started to ooze out the ghee again. Let's turn off the flame. Next, add in 3 tablespoons of raisins, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, a few strands of kesar or saffron. Let these ingredients roast in the hot Sooji or semolina for a few seconds. And now, remove it in a bowl and cool it down completely. This mixture has cooled down and time to add a few more ingredients. I took 1.5 cups of granulated sugar and then powdered it. So let's add it in. Make sure your mixture is completely cooled before you add in the sugar. Otherwise, the sugar is going to start to melt. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Also add in the fried nuts. Give all these ingredients a good mix. Fill the premix in a jar or ziplocs. The premix is ready. Time to make the halwa. So in a pan, I'm going to heat up 1.5 cups of water. Once the water starts to boil, add in the halwa mix. The proportion to the halwa mix and water is 1 cup of halwa mix and 1.5 times of water. Cook this till it thickens.
Hi Ruchi.
Hi.
How many days can we store this premix?
You can store this premix for at least a good 3 to 4 months in the refrigerator.
So what should be the ideal water to premix ratio?
The ideal proportion of water to premix is, if it's 1 cup of the premix, then 1.5 times of water.
Okay. Can this be made in the microwave?
Of course, it can be made in the microwave. You need to mix the water and the premix and microwave it for at least a good 1.5 minutes. Give it a stir once in the middle. This halwa is ready. Let's turn off the flame. Now you're not going to miss your mom's halwa even if you're away from home. Let me know if you want more such premix recipes. Do give this a try and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.